Hey everybody, welcome back. Thanks for watching this tutorial video. All I want to show you right now is how to make a vector shape out of an image that you have in Photoshop. You would likely use this to make a vector silhouette of a bitmap shape. So if you can find a bitmap image on the internet, you can change it into one solid vector shape to use in Illustrator or use in another project based on techniques that you can use in Photoshop. So the most important thing is to have a good selection of your bitmap image in Photoshop. Right now I have this brain and you can see the marching ants selecting the right now it's selecting all of the background, the negative space around this image. What I need is to select the actual shape that I need to have as a vector shape. I can change my selection by going to select and inverse. And you can now see that the marching ants or the marquee is now following the outside edge of the bitmap image that I want to convert into a vector shape. At this point, it'll help to be familiar with some of the other tabs that are around your layers, especially this one that says paths. I have options now. I can go to this drop down and take my selection, make it into what is called a work path. I'll hit OK. Now you can see there's a work path that's in the shape of the brain that I had selected previously. You can also toggle between work path and selection at the bottom of the path window. I'll go over and start to manipulate the work path using the same vector tools that you're used to from Illustrator. I can use the pen tool, add and subtract anchor points, use the direct selection tool to modify and change the work path to try to fit my idea and create the shape that I need. You'll find that this works almost exactly the same as the drawing tools in Illustrator. I can see my work path is about the shape of the brain that I want. When you get to a point where you have a good work path and you think it will work for your illustration, you can go to File and Export Paths to Illustrator. There aren't a lot of things that you export out of Photoshop other than paths. In Photoshop, it's usually a save as. Not this time. Now if I open up this file, hit OK. I'm up in Illustrator now. I have this project open. I can see the title of the project is Brain. I can't see anything though, so here's a little trick. Select what you have, and now you can see the vector shape. It doesn't have a stroke, it doesn't have a fill, but that's really easy to change. Now I have a vector shape that was created out of a bitmap image. You can use this as you would any other vector shape in Illustrator, put it into an InDesign project, create more stuff based on this. Thanks for listening. I hope this helped you out.